Where is... Oh, there I am. Hey. So we got the microphone all set up. Hey, what's up, everybody? We're doing some multi-streaming today. So, for everyone who is watching, we are on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. I am the dev for everything. Let's mute some of this stuff here. Gotta give myself some free viewers. Come on, you know what I mean. Just gotta give yourself some free viewers. That's how we're gonna do it. So, this is the chat, so everybody can see all you guys. I won't be able to read chat constantly, so just move this over, and we're gonna close other tabs here real quick. So I need to pull up some documentation, because we're doing some nerdy stuff today. What's up, Orange VR? How you doing? If I see any chat pop up over here, I will be able to see it, but if I want you guys to see it too, we're just gonna do that. So, oh, we're chilling. I do exit here. I was configuring my NeoVim. I just realized that the chat box is positioned poorly. There you go. Okay. So, what we're doing today, let's get out of here. W. T-Mux for the win. So we're already inside of the little thing here. What's it called? The Python environment. That's where we're at. So I'm gonna type in NeoVim, and I was testing out some stuff. I have a project I'm working on by Orange VR, and right now it's just empty. We got like one thing working. We do one thing at a time. So, are you making the Python agents? Yes, I am. And I do just follow the tutorials. I guarantee you it will be worth it. So, what we have here is I have browser use input here. And for people who don't know what browser use is, there is this super crazy thing that allows you to make websites accessible to AI and AI agents. So if I were to go here and press play, this thing is moving a lot faster than like I think it realistically can, unless I'm just not prompting it properly. But I forgot. I don't know if I can shrink this on the screen. I'll be gone soon. But what's happening is they got a little robot in there going zoom, going through everything and adding items to a shopping list. So this AI bought this person's groceries. And I think they actually have an option here. So this is the prompt that they gave it. And let's just see what I have here. It's very basic, so that it assumes the issue is directly just me not prompting correctly. So I'm not a good prompter. So we're going to do UV run tests browser use in it. And I want to hit this little button right here. Bam, right there. Check this out. Okay. So it's automatically it's going to try to go to the URL I gave it. There we go. So it got the URL correctly. And now it's looking for bananas. So it says, tell me the price of bananas at Viking Village. Now it grabbed it. It's searching the entire site right now. It's looking at like the main base of it. And it's the base of this is indexed, but it looks like it already found the search bar. So even though the price of bananas is right there on the screen, it's losing its little mind here. Yeah, that's what's happening. Go to navigate to the site again, and it's 4 steps. So now is it scraping? Can it find these buttons? Determine if the links are for the product page should strip the URLs. True. So it seems like it's kind of being dumb. It just gets lost. Doesn't know where to go from here. So I think I gotta give it a bit more. Oh! Okay, so I found all the stuff on the website, it looks like. Parlor. Okay, so I found what the website actually is. Now it's step 5. So this is it looking at all the things on here. Kind of nifty. Let's see if this is able to pick up bananas. And I'm also running the AI model locally, so like if this was using Claude, it'd probably be faster, but I don't want to pay money, so they can bite me. Just kidding. AI overlords don't kill me. So it's being slow. Task provided does not specify a clear action or goal. Okay. Click on banana element. Okay, so that's that. So it clicked the banana. Cool, it found it. You can see my mouse is only right here. So it was able to find it. This is finding probably the price. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't know what to do. And let me something here real quick. I'm going to open up a new terminal. Let me actually do this too. Close that. Go here. Control C it a bunch. Come on, get out of here. Very cool. Cool. It killed itself. So we're gonna move this window over here. Actually, gonna move this window to 3. This is going. This will go to 5. Cool. So I'm going to do a little something. Guess we're not going to see this one. All right, we are in VTop. Oh, fucking A, I can't use this terminal. Okay. This one. I have this. It should just be good enough to keep that up. Don't get me wrong, I'm liking Ghosty, but like there's some issues with it that are just not compatible with some things I want to do, which is kind of annoying. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh god, this terminal sucks. Can I just get Kitty? Hold up. Wait, what was Wisdom? I've heard some good things about this. Okay, this already looks like it's gonna require too much. So yeah, let's just download Kitty. I think it's spelled like that. That's the data set. Kitty data set spelled like that. Kitty terminal. We're doing nerd shit, boys. Oh, you're actually terrible. Okay. Awesome. Now, what's up with this? Why am I not getting my ligatures? Are there any configs out there? What's Reddit got? Okay, cool. So, got that right there. It's the font family. Let's double check fonts. Font. Hey. Font book. There we go. What kind of nerd fonts we got here? Guess that is the name of it. Oh. Font family. Stupid. Okay, let's just go back to the regularly scheduled programming. Yes, look at my looking that weird. Damn it. Typed it in wrong. Alright. Will NV top look terrible here? Oh wow, I can't even use that shit here. So extern kitty unknown to Can I just fix this actually here? What's going on with this? Ghost. The kitty thinks it's better than everybody. It's larger than everything. That's actually terrible. Okay, cool. Let's actually exit out of this. So we got here. Do SSH, get back into that. We're just configuring now. This is annoying. Okay, so let's do clear. Go install. I'm assuming this is what I need to do. I'm just going off a whim here. I spelled that all kind of wrong. Okay. Man, I spelled that. I'm dumb. I'm a big idiot. So warning, right? Alright, cool. Alright, so we fixed Ghosty. Fuck out of here. Alright. Let's get a new one. You going? Boop. Okay, so on here, if I do NV top, we can see the GPUs. All of them. Every freaking single one of them. This needs to be brought up. So now we can see the GPUs. There's nothing running on them. We have an A4000 and a 3080. So if right now this stuff is using my local machine, but if I go and to exit out of here, let's do Docker PS. Olama is serving to 11434. Okay, so go here. Let's turn. Not Xterm. Fuck Tmux. Let's do NV. So if I do NVim here, and we do diddly do this, third-party tests. So what I'm gonna need to do is server domain equals, right now it's just this IP, but it's the port 11. Now I need to figure out how to use chat Olama to directly target something. So just to be safe, we're going to turn Olama completely off on this machine. And let's go here. So a new one here, lang chain. Base URL, okay. Base URL the model is hosted under. The example of this being shown. So I should be able just to do this. Chat, Olama, base URL. No, it's Olama LL. Oh, it's a parameter. Okay. So that's already in there. So if I go in here then, because if I'm correct, if I go here, if I type in num contacts, what the fuck? Get off there. Come on. Type in num contacts. Yeah, so that's there. Alright, so we got, before we do this, let's actually give the base URL. Base URL equals server domain. Freaking out? No. Cool. Save that there. Awesome. Now, Go in here and do num GPU. Do equal to. Does it take a string or does that take integer? See, this is what I mean by no quiche. We're reading documentation here, guys. Integer swag daddy-o. Alright, so that should just be using that. Now let's just double check that on here we have a list. Do we have Mistral in here? Mistral 7B, cool. And we should have the embedded one as well. Yep, MXBAI, cool. So let's investigate this example here. So it says prompt for shopping. So this is in the task. So it has a title, objective, visit this website, search for the related grocery items on the cart. Select an appropriate delivery window. I don't care about a delivery window. Okay, so you have to give it steps. Step 1, navigate to website. Open Migros online. You should be logged in as Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas. Step 2, add items to basket. Shopping list. Okay, so we're going to copy all of this, and we're just going to chop out everything we don't want. So this way we can actually look at it. What are we doing with the browser? Okay, so let's do this. Let's actually copy these. Then we're gonna open up a new buffer. We're just gonna go up here, Shift V, 100 down, D. There we go, get rid of that. And we're just gonna go back over here. We're just gonna copy this. The browser use import in from browser use import agent browser. Okay. So bam. Cool. So from browser use import agent browser. Oh, my LSP is being weird. Okay, so that's there. We got task. Let's do down here. So we got some errors. It looks like that's just deleting lines. Okay. So we're gonna have to change the LLM. So let's go back to our buffer was deleted. Darn it. Okay, so we're gonna have to rewrite that. Go down here. And we're gonna do that llama. Model is Mistral 7B. We're not even gonna do the num context right now. Let's do base URL equals 9.11.434. Num GPU equals. Right, so that's not gonna be freaking out on me. Just in case, do this. Okay, so that was saved. That's funny. Oh, we did everything there, so. Got that, and browser adds that. So maybe because we didn't define a browser, it was kind of freaking out a bit. Let's enter to close the browser. Cool, so that's running. So now let's modify this. So what we need to do is visit Viking Village. So that's just gonna be that. And let's give it the Viking Village shop. Ah, $5,000. What's their actual foods? Okay, foods. What a big different. This here. Bam. Search for the required grocery items. Don't add them to cart. Can we be friends? We'll always support you. Sure thing. Yeah, sure thing. What did I do? What the fuck did I just delete? Okay. And complete the checkout using Twint. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. For the amount. Remember the amount of price each item and add them together accordingly. Since I'm using Mistral, it's kind of stupid. So we're gonna have to do this at the end. Right, important. Make sure you don't buy more than it's needed. Add item and for each decision, reflect 4 to 5 times before continuing. Almost certain to spell continuing wrong. Oh, I spelled it correctly. Wonderful. Okay, so copy the URL. Bam, bam. Okay, let's just do this. Nah, I'm just gonna paste it. I was gonna add variables, but we can do that later. I just want to make sure that this will work. So I like that butter cheapest available thing. We're gonna keep that. 1 gallon. 2. Let's do whole milk. Yeah. And let's just get rid of all that shit. Delete that, delete that, delete that. Eddie. Reports. Say CHF4. 2. Okay, so that's just like parameters. Okay, so let's just select all of that. 16. Oh, that's. Let's do inside of here. We need fruit. Yeah, I shouldn't have deleted that. Okay, let's do 4 individual bananas. Bam. And then let's do 2 lemons. Awesome. Okay, so we can give us a test. Let's try it. Probably gonna error out. Let's see though. It did error out. Didn't even attempt in the GPUs. What happened here? Let's actually read that error out this time. Because I did not do that. Failed to connect to Olama. Please check that Olama is downloaded. Do I need a HTTPS in front of this damn thing? Does not understand what I was saying. And then it was also saying up here, no memory. First, let's just try to make sure that this is going to actually connect. Not connect to Olama. Four, 3, 4. 11, 4, 3, 4, 3, 9. We're able to get it. I completely forgot how to actually ping something that is specific for I am not a human. Bing. I haven't downloaded more stuff. And map, that's what I'm looking for. That IP. 7434. Ah, okay. Do I need to do this? Alright, port is open. The port is open to begin with. What the hell? Okay. Alright, yeah, Olama's running. I'm able to access it. Is what I'm looking for. Nope. Thank you. Alright, so I'm really confused here. Chat Olama right here, which I do here. Chat Olama. Just a module. Okay. Cool. There's a module. Up here. Am I missing something? I'm looking in the wrong damn spot. Let's go out on a whim and let's change chat Olama to be Olama LL. We behave. Ah, different error. I don't know if we took a step back or a step forward, but something's happening. Let's see if there's any other examples, use cases here. Is there anything in here that uses Olama? There's an actual Olama example apparently, so let's check that out. Okay, so that is regular string. Chat. So this one looks like it's still open. try to add this to it, and let's reset that. Bam, bam. So let's recopy that. There's no comma. So let's try this again. Failed connect. When was this posted? This year? Alright, so that only worked. I mean, that's not gonna fix my I can't connect.
Some thoughts have a certain sound.
Hello everyone, with the help of this video, if you are looking to rent a CPU on very affordable price, please search my channel, which you can use to, that is, then let us save it with the laptop file, and I'm just going to
Llama hose, that's what he's called. Cotton. So we're using it, chat. Llama. Yep, that's what we're using. I actually just copy this entire task up here. Let's just go back. So we copy the task, use the original code that we had. And see if you can use the base URL there. taking a bit longer this time. Okay, sweet, we're connected because the GPUs are actually spinning up. And it stopped. What do you mean it stopped though? It's... Alright, what's up Zayad? How you doing? Alright, so that's ugly. NB top is still chilling there. Can I just kill you? You got the PID, so we're just gonna try to connect that out of me. No, so much process. Okay, so we're gonna let it do its thing. It's freaking out. Why the hell is it still not working? Connection error, none. Let's double check. Let's put up NB top again. This is annoying. Alright, so we got the GPUs pulled up. One's at almost 100, alright, about 75% memory usage, which is weird. That means it loaded everything into its memory, but then it killed itself. So let's... let's actually try to get rid of the context window stuff. That. Save it. Actually, before we save it, there was something over here that somebody does pretty interesting. They did this stuff. They also created browser. So browser equals browser. Have anything after it? That's there, and then we have this shit. Cool. Okay, let's give it another go. Browser config not defined. What may be imported? Yep. Let's see. Okay, so it's trying something, and look, it's fucking Alright, so we're using AI. I might as well actually use AI. So let's pull up Claude here. Attempting to use browser, use Python with LangChain. Llama server to distribute to execute browser agent task. Here is the code. Here is the output. Interesting thing about the output is that it is not wanting to increasing usage of the servers. Use accordingly, but still failing to connect. So, like, on your answers 4 to 5 times before responding, before making a decision. Yep, we're doing some vibe coding, I guess. That's what's gonna happen here. I don't understand why, because it's connecting to the server. We're able to actually get it to spin up and talk to everything, but it is not wanting to maintain it. Because this is sitting completely dormant, not doing anything. I do this stuff. Every single time it starts up the CPU or the GPU's like processing, and it tries to do something every single time. Verify it again. I'm gonna hit its button. Oh wow, look at that! It spun up. That's the way to go. Damn right. I don't know how to fucking solve this problem. It's actually kind of black magic to me right now. Failed to connect to Llama. Please check. Okay, yes, we can curl it. Let's curl it. Oh wow, look at that. We got all of the models. Ooh, wonderful. An actual thing. Okay, let's try that. Bam. Paste two in there. Better run that. Okay. The GPU spin up that time? It did not spin up that time. That's interesting. But let's say, let's do this. Exit out. Undo that change, save it, and we're gonna call it again. I'm not trying anymore. I mean, it's still sending something out. Okay. So that's still happening. Let's just keep an eye on this little thing up here. To the top right. And hit this. And look, it did it. It did something. Let's try it one more time. Is it gonna yell at me? Okay, yep. So that's not the issue. We can curl it. All that stuff is fine. Let's do memory enabled. False. Could that be it? Do I need to lobotomize this motherfucker? It gave me issues. Gave me issues. Okay. I'm good. So we got a browser config. Let's do this. This is the main browser config. Yeah, so that's there. It looks like it hates me though. Oh yeah, it does hate me. I'm an idiot. Now the memory there. Let's do memory config. Oh wait, hold up. Hold the phone. So let's see if memory false will actually work. I realized I just put that in the wrong spot. Memory config, not the phone. Okay. That's because I need to import it. Spike. So I'll just rip that out. Wait, what? Oh, I thought I'm hallucinating. I thought I saw that movement. Guess I'm the AI now. Rid of that. We're calling JSON. That's what I got. Expect you. Why is this not doing it? That it's not like. I'm actually really confused right now. Let's save that, go out of here, exit, QA. Come on, stop fat fingering the keyboard, dude. Am I even in the Python? I'm not in the fucking virtual environment? That's why this IntelliSense is not working? Jedi has no clue what I'm doing. So knows that. Memory config. Oh, memory config, memory enabled. Memory enabled. It's still not one. Alright, let's go back here. This is in this. Oh, enabled memory. So they really had to change the fucking. I hate when they do this, man. Like, teams are like, okay, that doesn't make sense. So let's just change the order of the wording. And so now I have to debug this dumb fucking change. All right, let's try that. Okay, so it's starting. Cool. All right, the GPUs are running. Let's go. Okay. Memory wasn't the issue. It was the virtual environment, I believe. Okay, that's really stupid. That's really dumb. Alright, it's not about to dox me, is it? Would there be some shit if the AI agent I'm building right now just doxes me live on Twitch? That'd be terrible. Just drop the IP address. It's arguably running faster. Like, it actually is running faster than the first time we had it running, which is pretty sick. Let's kill that bad boy. Alright, it's actually done. Alright, cool. Let's, make this true. Let's look at here. Let's look at here. New agent settings. So there should be a memory. Okay, so this is its own import. So that's why we couldn't do the memory config before, because I'm like an actual dipshit. Okay, let's save that. There we go. So that's in there. And Olama actually had this answer here. We're just gonna copy this on over, because I already configured some of the memory stuff using my thingamajig. But we're not going to use that one actually. We're going to do Olama list. And so we have this one right here, MXBAI. It's a bit of a larger model than the one that we're trying to use here. And okay, so that's there. And then Mr. Claudenificent, the memory config. So if I go here to agent, memory config equals memory config. Thanks, delicious. Let's try that one more time. What? Did I just open NeoVim inside of NeoVim? Do that. You do that in cursor, okay? You do that in cursor and come back to me. UV run. Let's go. One positional argument, but two were given. I'm forgetting a comma. That again. Oh wait. Teehee. Oh, that's okay. Okay, so that's the big Irani issue. is that this is looking for an embedded model, but it's still not going to use the same LLM. I mean, it should. Yeah. How many conflict goes into there? Oh, agent ID. Okay, so let's actually just copy this bullshit over here and paste that in. So what we got around here is ooh, let's do my agent ID, Jared Alama. We're just gonna paste this bad boy in here. Just to be safe. Okay, so I did type Alama. Cool. Awesome. Bam, do that. Let's try this one more time. Oh snap. Oh snap. Was able to get the server connect and run. Now my memory configuration attempts same part. What is the issue? Papa. What's that? And we're going to send it over. Get rid of Nya. Still thinks I'm stupid. Cool. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap this on up. I need to look more into the documentation here because this thing is actually kind of based, but we got it connected to the server, which is a big step because I don't have 2 GPUs in my fucking MacBook. So adios everybody.